Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Off We Venture. My name's Cameron, this is our first episode, and I'm going to talk a little about the premise of the channel and what we can expect to see here. I'll start by saying that I'm not a video blogger. I have never done this before, and I don't have very much social media presence to begin with. I will be learning as I go, and so you'll see a lot of cut clips. Maybe I'll be in one place for some of it and another place for others. We need to start putting some videos out. We need to start getting people updated on our progress, because that's the point of the channel. And so I've had to go against my nature and stop being so critical of every little thing and just start getting some videos out. So the first video, I'm just going to talk a little about what the current status is, because things have been moving so quickly that I haven't been able to publish any of the videos leading up to the big move. And that is hitting the road full time in an RV. I wanted to document the whole process beginning to end, and here we're already several steps into this and I haven't even gotten the first video out. So I want to start by talking about where we are now and our current situation, so that if anyone is trying to do something similar, you kind of have a little bit of the background where we are coming from. We live here in Texas, in New Braunfels, a great town, and we have many reasons for choosing to do this, and we'll talk about that in another video. But currently we have a house that we need to sell, 2 cars, a Suburban, actually 3 cars, a Suburban, our Tesla, and a Firebird that's kind of a project car. So our plan is to sell our daily drivers, the Tesla and the Suburban, then buy a truck that's capable of pulling the RV, buy the RV, get moved in and situated in it, and then clean up the house, still furnished because it'll sell better furnished, but clean up the house and not have the kids and the dog messing up everything I've cleaned, so that it's show ready, and sell the house. So that's the plan, and just in the last week we have moved forward very quickly on those plans because everything just kind of fell into place. So for an update on the status, today is February 12th, 2024. We had listed our vehicles, our daily drivers, a couple months ago actually, and it's my fault for listing them too high. The Tesla was listed high because we actually bought that Tesla before they dropped the price, $15,000. 3 weeks before they dropped it, $15,000. Big mistake on my part. It was a fun car. I didn't plan on owning it long. I expected to take a loss, but not quite that much. I didn't expect to take over a 50% hit on the cost of that vehicle in only 13 months. I lost a lot of money on that. Anyways, I had listed it on the private sale, and I had dropped the price a couple times over the last few months. And it was actually below the lower end of the Kelley Blue Book value, and still no one was buying it. So just last week we decided we just need to get things rolling. Let's go ahead and go to the Chevy dealer where we want to buy our truck, and we decided to ask them how much they would give us for it. We ended up taking the trade-in way below what I thought the car was worth, but it was my mistake for buying it to begin with. The car is gone, we have the truck, and 2 days later, after the weekend was over, Monday when the bank opened, we had a private buyer that was interested, and he went ahead and bought the Suburban. So within a few days, all of a sudden, we accomplished half of our plan to hit the road, right? We sold both vehicles and we got in our truck. So that was a huge step, and I haven't started filming any of these videos. I've started little things here and there and preparing, but I had not actually been prepared to move this quickly. So that is part of the reason this first episode and the first update is so informal and ad lib, is because we just need to get things going, and I don't have time to edit a bunch of videos, and it goes against my nature not to, but we need to get things going and start putting out more videos quickly so that we can get on the roll. The next couple of videos I have coming, we're going to talk about the truck that we bought, why we bought it new, and which one we bought, the reason we bought it. And I'm also going to talk about the RV that we are looking at right now. We are currently looking at the Alliance 40V13. It is a 45-foot fifth wheel that really accommodates a majority of the things that we are looking for. There will be some things that we have to change and modify, but I don't know if there's any better option out there for us right now. And lastly, I do have another update coming. This is the one that's I'm trying not to make it too long. I don't want it to be some huge video, but there are a lot of reasons we've decided to leave, and I don't want to leave them unexplained. A lot of people are confused as to why we would do something like this, and so I do want to give that detail, but I don't want to sit there and ramble on for a long time because there are a lot of things to talk about. So that video is coming up. I'm not in a rush to put that out. I'm gonna try and make sure that I cover all of those bases before I publish that video. So make sure you stay tuned. Follow the channel. If you're on YouTube, go ahead and hit subscribe, and you have to hit that bell if you want to receive any notifications when we publish a new video. So make sure you do that. And if you want, you can follow my wife Allison. She's on Instagram. She'll be posting her own things there regarding the trip. And we hope to see you soon. Thanks for joining us, and off we venture.